Hello everyone. I'm going to go with you to my project, the final project of e-commerce. So my idea of my project, the name is West Justice. The name is from just the problem observed here in Ghana. You can see the streets are having a lot of plastics. But then the first idea that comes in mind of people is that Ghanaians don't care. But the big problem is because of this discouragement that waste collectors get if, for example, the aggregator don't pay them a good price. So this is the big problem, and we want to solve this problem using our app, which is going to have like putting together the waste collectors, the aggregator in the recycling companies, and making sure that the pricing is transparent on the app, such a way that if they just upload, they have a transparent pricing. So what I can just speak about here is that we have our business model, which is a business canvas. We are going to see that it's going to have our partners and everyone. And then we have also a budget that we prepared where you can see that in our provision, we have the expenditure and the revenue. So you can see that from the first month, we are targeting to have more expenses, and then we have lesser expenses when we reach the 12th month, meaning that our project is sustainable because throughout the time, you see that the expenses are decreasing. So from that, we just go straight to the demo, how the app is actually solving the problem. So this is our domain. We actually hosted it, and then we can see our website. So once a person clicks, you reach out this welcoming page where is index page where you can just come and see the first thing here. And to create an account is a role-based access. So I think I will start with creating an account of an aggregator because an aggregator before being accepted is supposed to be approved by the admin. So an aggregator can be maybe NDN, the full name, and then can have a number, and then an email, NEN, and then a role as an aggregator. And the business email can be maybe NDN. The location can be Beokusu. We have a license, which is like not, which is not mandatory. And then we have our password. Yes. So as an aggregator, when you create, you are supposed to see mm, supposed to see a pop-up message that is okay. I don't know what is happening. So mm, yes, so for aggregator, you just click like this. It's registered, so you can log in. Yes. So you log in as an aggregator. What you're supposed to do, you're supposed to subscribe. And then in subscribing, you just put the your way of subscribing. You put your number, and then you put also a reference, meaning that you can subscribe. But as you subscribe as an aggregator, you're supposed to subscribe, but then you're not really supposed to subscribe. You're supposed to have approval from the admin. That's why we're going to go and I log in my account as me. I'm an admin myself. I log into my admin where I will actually do everything. I will show everything that an admin can do actually on it. Yes, as an admin, I can be able to see the user. I can activate, deactivate. I can actually like even do the analytics. I can be a transaction. I can see the pricing, everything I can do. I can even set. And then what I'm supposed to do now is just to come and approve, to go to subscription and approve the aggregator who sign up. One is pending. So I just come and I kind of approve him. Oh, yeah. Yes, after approving him, yes. So after approving him, that means the aggregator is approved. So it's going to be visible on the side of the waste collector. Yes, because the waste collector, the idea is that the waste collector, when you log in, yes, when the waste collector log in, is supposed to kind of just be able to upload the plastic and get a transparent price from the aggregator and the aggregator also to the recycling company. Yes, so when the waste collector also is signing up, he's also coming successful to sign up, so he can log in. When you log in, then he can go and use these AI recommendation things, and they will have already a Google map inside where you can see the aggregator, but then he's going to you locate yourself as an aggregator using a Google map. You locate yourself, and then you also locate the closest aggregator. So you see, you locate yourself, and then when you continue, you see the closest one. The closest one is this NDA now that we have created just now. Yes, so you can select it, and then you come, and then you upload now the your plastic waste where you can upload a picture. We can upload a picture. You can give a description and then you just submit. When it's successfully submitted, actually you is going that way to the aggregator. So for the aggregator, not that the aggregator we created an aggregator. Yes, so when we enter in the aggregator also, after logging in, you see like the NDN, the one we created, we are going to see like we are pending delivery, which is pending one. So when the aggregator is kind of accepting, it's going that way to the payment. You are going to the payment where you are going to receive an invoice if you accept, or you are going to receive an invoice. And also the customer is also receiving the same invoice. We go to Empire and we choose MTN and then we confirm. Yes. So yes. So successful done. And I'll receive the inbox here where you see the message has come just now and it is 30 CDs. You can see it, the message has come. And then after this, you receive the same, and even the waste collector also receive the same message. And then you can actually like create a batch that is going to go to get about where you are now as an aggregator. You're supposed also to do the same process to go to the what recycling company. That's basically what happened. Yes, so the recycling company can also log in. This is a recycling company. Yes, and then from that, when you click just verify like this, the same process is done also. Uh, it goes to the, it goes to the both the waste collect, it goes to the aggregator also, and the pay stack also is done the same thing. Yes, so basically everything has been done in our app. Everything is working. The logout is working. The AI recommendation is working. The searching is working because of the Google Map thing we implemented. So thank you.